Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I got blessed this morning. When I got up, Walter said, Jackie just left here and she brought 2 steaks. So they are bone-in ribeye steaks. I already rinsed them off. This was a blessing. And these steaks are substantial. Look how thick they are. Wait a minute. Look how thick they are. What's that, about an inch? Inch and a half. We got blessed. I want to keep looking at me. So he said, you want me to season my own steak? I said, no, if I'm going to cook it, I want to season it too. So, let me show y'all. Okay, this is a electric or automatic pepper grinder I was blessed with by one of my honeys. And it wasn't working the last time I was trying to use it. So I said, let me see if it's the batteries. It was the batteries. So I put new batteries in it and some new peppercorns in it. So, this is what I use. Black, white, green, and pink peppercorns with red chilies. 5-pepper blend. And this came from Williams Sonoma, along with this. People ask where I got this from. Because I like that you don't have to be squeezing nothing. It's automatic. Okay, let's get to seasoning these steaks. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Not low enough. Trying to show y'all what's up here. You can't see it. Still can't see nothing. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to dry these chops off like I do every other meat, chicken, fish, chops. Sopping up the water. Sopping up the water in the bottom of this pan. Dry. And I always keep a bag for my trash. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'm going to can y'all see this? Yeah, y'all can see this. Fumbling too much. Okay, let's see. Go here to the Ninja Foodie Extra Large Grill. There's a smaller version of this too. This is the extra large one. I never showed y'all, but it has what you call it? A thermometer. And it fits on the side in a groove. I never used it. I ain't interested in using it. So this is what I'll be using. This is the grill pan. And I have foil in here to catch the drippings. So I only have to wash this thing. So I'm going to turn it on. You can see. No. Push it back. Can y'all see? Okay, now you can see it. Turn it on. Turn it to the grill function. It says high. That means it's on high. What's higher than that? Max. I'm gonna put it on max, y'all. It says 10 minutes. I'm gonna raise it to 12 minutes because these steaks are very thick. And then I turned it on, so right now it's preheating. Putting it out from the wall so all that hot air ain't blowing on the wall. So let's get to seasoning these steaks. Y'all just ain't gonna see it. I'm trying to angle the camera. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, y'all can see that. Okay, I'm gonna give it. I always put mustard on everything, so I'm gonna give it a couple swigs of yellow mustard. One for that steak and one for this one. Okay. I'm going to shake on my black pepper. Y'all can hear it. You don't see it coming out, but you can hear it. And some people still ask me why I use mustard on my meats. It helps to tenderize because it has vinegar in it. What else? It adds another layer of flavor. It helps the seasonings to stick better. I'm using the granulated garlic. I don't want it too much to come out. Okay, that's good. With the powder, a lot comes out at one time. That's why I like to granulate it. Here's some granulated onion. There's no salt in it. I'm going to use sweet mesquite seasoning. Mesquite makes it have a smoky flavor. I sprinkle it on liberally. This has salt in it. And then I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Is in here? Worcestershire sauce. I'm putting in my evil oil sprayer. Now I'm going to smush it. Get the blood out of here. A rubber band. These kind of gloves have a tendency to slip off. So, one of my honeys, Jazzy, she suggested that I put a rubber band on my wrist to keep it from slipping out. And it works like a charm. Don't know why I didn't think of that. Okay. I'm mixing the seasonings with this mustard. I'm doing the same for the other side. I think I'll add the mustard last. Since my hand is nasty and I ain't touching that mustard right now. Worcestershire, sweet mesquite. What is this? Rub seasoning. When I use a seasoning, I usually set it aside so I don't forget and use it again. Black pepper. garlic, granulated garlic. And granulated onion. All this. Now I'm going to get a couple handfuls of mustard. One for here. I don't know if y'all saw what I did or not. And one for there. I'm going to smush the mustard. Smush it. Okay. So we'll throw this away. Whoa! I just popped mustard. I don't want it. No, it's not on me. This is what the seasoned steaks look like. I'm not going to stick them with a fork or tenderize or anything, and they're going to be tender. Now, if you have with tough cut of meat, like chuck or some other cut, it may be tough. You may have to tenderize it with a fork or tenderizer or something. You know, the little hammer looking thing, they got things. We used to have one, I don't know what happened to it. Okay, I'll be back when this says add food. Okay, just beat. It says to add food. Y'all can see from here. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, it's smoking. Ooh. Okay. First stick over here. Second stick over here. Okay. Clean my hands. Excuse me for stepping in front of the camera. I'll probably edit this out. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to turn this down to the setting below this. I'm going to add more Worcestershire. Oh, and I added this. Sweet and smoky seasoning. I really like a smoky flavor. Okay. I'm going to change this setting from max to high. Okay. Ain't have nothing smoking up in here. Okay, I'm going to clean this mess up and I'll be back. Okay, just beat for me to flip my steaks. So, they have grill marks. So I put more pepper on it, more Worcestershire sauce, and some more of this on the other side. Okay, finish. Okay, right now I'm making some Hasselback potatoes. I already cut this one. That's how it looks. So I've got a couple more. I'll show you one. I got some little ones. You put them in the cage, put the potato in the cage, thingamajig. And then you cut in between these slits. Keep your fingers out the way. And because it has a wood block, it's not going to cut all the way through the potato. That's as far as I'm cutting. these potatoes will cook faster because they're cut. It has nailed little spikes on this wooden base to hold the potato in place. I haven't had Hasselback potatoes in a while. So I'm going to boil these potatoes. I already got the water boiling and seasoned. So all that seasoning can get all up in these slices. Oh yeah, one of my honeys blessed me with this set of knives too. Rachel Ray knives. Very, very sharp. Have to be careful. Okay. I'm going to turn the camera off and go put these in the water. Okay, y'all, just fixed my plate. This is what it looks like. I gotta take the camera off. Water steak is still in here. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, here's my dinner, y'all. Ribeye steak with the bone in it, Hasselback potato, and a tossed salad with croutons. And I got Heinz 57 and A1 sauce on my steak. Let me get a thumbnail. I guess y'all want to see me taste a piece of the steak. Let me move this out the way so I can get a thumbnail. That looks good. Okay. Okay, I just sliced my steak. So it looks medium. I like medium well, and I like well done, not burnt. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Tender, juicy, flavorful, good. Let me try a piece of potato. Hasselback potato. I washed the skins. It took less than 10 minutes for these potatoes to boil. I had the water was already boiling when I was slicing up the potatoes. I seasoned the water with butter, black pepper, and what's that big salt? That kosher salt. These potatoes are done. That's done. Okay. So it's 6:19 p.m. on Sunday. Well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit. About to get my eat on, y'all. Bye.